Manual override operation instructions. The manual override allows you to open or close the shutter in the event of a power failure. Override types. Type 1, white crank handle with fixed joint. Type 2, crank handle with hook and eyelet. Override exit, motor side. Type 1, no hole, need to remove box lid. Type 2, hole in box lid. Type 3, lockable exit. Inserting hex bar. You need to insert the hex bar into the hole and locate into motor drive. This can be fiddly. You can remove box lid to make it easier. Turn the handle in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction until you start to see the curtain move in the desired direction. Do not overwide. For any help or queries, please contact us on 0148 288 9950.